Sabi sa Romans 2 verse 1, you may think you can condemn such people, but you are just as bad, and you have no excuse. When you say they are wicked and should be punished, you are condemning yourself. For you who judge others do this very same thing. This verse clearly shows that no one is righteous, that no one is holier than the other. Lahat tayo mali, lahat tayo makasalanan, lahat tayo madumi. And that we should always humble ourselves because we are nothing. Wala naman talaga tayo. Sino ka ba? Sino ba ako? It's only through the power of our Lord Jesus Christ that we are saved. This verse also shows that we should be compassionate towards the others. Pwedeng mas nagbabasa ka ngayon ng Bible, pwedeng mas nag-church ka ngayon, at dahil doon, ang tingin mo na sa mga tao, tumatakbo sa isip mo, makasalanan kayo. Hello, wag mo sabihin yan dahil ikaw din yung tinutukoy mo. Do not be self-righteous. Humble yourself down. Kasi ang sinasabihan mo na yan, baka pag nag-umpisa yan sa journey niya with the Lord, magulat ka. Ang lalim niya pala. Let's guide people with love, with compassion, with care. Sundan natin yung yapak ng tagapagligtas natin. Sino ba yon? Walang iba kung hindi si Jesus Christ. He died for you when you are still a sinner. Makasalanan ka, pero namatay siya para sa'yo. Ngayon, kung nakikita mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo na wala pa kay Lord at tuloy-tuloy sa kasalanan, pray for them. Have compassion for them. Gabayan mo ng merong pagmamahal, pero hindi para sang-ayunan yung mga maling gawain nila. Show the love of God through understanding, pero hindi para sabihing okay lang yan. Yung tipong mali na yung ginagawa, pero sasabihin mo pang okay lang yan, naiintindihan ka ni Lord. Kung mali, sabihin mong mali, but do it in a gentle way. Huwag yung nangaaway tayo. Huwag yung parang nagmamataas tayo. At kung hindi ka pa niya maintindihan, huwag kang magagalit. Remember that the Lord has His own timing for everyone. Ask for wisdom from our Father. Sana po ay malinaw at naiintindihan niyo po ang mensahe ng video na to.